Hello friends, welcome to our advanced spoken English channel. Today in this video I am going to teach about main verbs, auxiliaries and modals. If you have to learn spoken English very fluently, means you have to learn these main verbs, auxiliary verbs and modals after the conjugation of the verbs. So now I am going to teach about this in this video. Friends, English has two types of verbs. One, main verbs. Two, auxiliaries or helping verbs. Helping verbs, we have to remember two ways. Two types. One, auxiliaries. Two, modals. Okay, auxiliaries including modals also, but modals, auxiliaries together we have to learn here. But you have to remember modals, auxiliaries and main verbs. Okay friends, main verbs help, means main verbs tell you what happened or what the situation is. Main verbs, and main verbs have four forms. One, V1, that means present tense. Two, V2, that means past tense. 3, V3, that means past participle. V4, fourth one. V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing, that is just as gerund. Remember as gerund. So here main verbs have four forms. I have already taught while teaching conjugation of the verbs, right? So here main verbs have four forms. You remember in this way. For example, one verb. Take verb go. First form of the go is go. Second form, went. Third form, gone. Fourth form, going. Go plus ing, going, that is gerund. So remember in this way. Okay. Auxiliaries and modals. First, auxiliaries help to form tenses, passive voice, questions and negatives. Auxiliaries also we use to express ability, permission, possibility and necessity. Modals also we use for ability, possibility, permissions and for necessity. These are some list of auxiliaries and modals also together. Is, am, are. Remember, was, were, has, have, Okay, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, dare and need. These are sometimes models. So in this, some auxiliaries, some models are there. Okay friends, don't confuse. And to make you understand clearly, I have written on the board with examples. Shall we have a look? Okay, see here, auxiliaries, subject, verb, object or complement. Object or complement. Subject, see here, verb 2, auxiliary, main. So how these sentences have auxiliary verbs and main verbs I gave. See, first example, she is going home. And we should not say going to home here. We discussed later why we should not use to in front of home. Okay, we can say to house, but we should not say to home. Okay, she is going home is auxiliary verb, going is main verb. Okay, and I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Have auxiliary verb, finished main verb. Okay friends, you will win a prize. Will, auxiliary verb, auxiliary, main verb, win. Models, I can also auxiliary and also model. So I can solve this question. Can here, it shows ability. Can, ability. You may use my computer. You may use my computer. I gave permission. So it is showing permission here. So may, model, auxiliary we can use for permission. He might come today. Possibility. He might come today. Possibility. So he might come today. Possibility also we can. So might is model. So here are some auxiliaries, some models. I think it's clear to you. Okay. Let's see these after observing these examples. If you frame your own sentences, means you bring some examples from different sides, try to frame your own examples, and that helps you to improve fast. So remember and practice. And there are some exercise to practice these models and auxiliaries. We will just. Okay friends, have a look here. Here small exercise to practice. Fill in the blanks with appropriate auxiliaries and models. First one, blanks all red colored blanks. Those you have to fill answers. Okay. I lift this weight. He does not telling the truth. The sun not set in the east. You give me a lift. I swim when I was 7. We help our friends. You speak the truth. You sit on this bench. Does her son come back? He come today. Boys playing in the park. You have some tea. Here are missing auxiliaries and models. So you try to fill those auxiliaries and models. Friends, I think this video is helpful to you. I hope this video is useful to you. So solve this, complete this exercise, practice and observe, study the table clearly and we practice same as definitely you can speak in English. Okay friends, if you like my teaching, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get latest videos. You click on the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Signing out, yours Dr. Sharma.